Hello, my name is Peter and welcome to my channel. Today we will work on this Crochet Snowflake. It's a very easy and quick project. We'll work this snowflake in only 5 rounds. And for this project I will use crochet thread number 10 and crochet hook 1.5 millimeter. We will start with a slip knot. And now chain 6. Slip stitch into the first stitch chain so that we will form a ring. Chain 1, and into the ring we'll work 12 single crochets. To finish round 1, slip stitch into the first single crochet that we made in this round. Round 2, chain 3 for the first double crochet plus chain 4 for chain 4 space. So in total we have 7 chains. Skip 1 stitch in next double crochet. Chain 4. We'll skip 1 stitch into the next, we will work double crochet. And we will repeat the pattern around. So chain 4, skip 1 into the next double crochet. To finish this round 2, we will chain 1, and into the third chain of our beginning, chain 7, we will work double crochet. Round 3, chain 5, chain 3 for the first double crochet and chain 2 for chain 2 space. Into the same space we'll work 2 double crochets, 1 half double crochet and single crochet. Now into next chain 4 space we'll work a single crochet, then 1 half double crochet, 2 double crochets, chain 2, 2 double crochets into the same space, 1 half double crochet and single crochet. And we'll repeat this around. So in next chain 4 space, single crochet, then half double crochet, 2 double crochets, chain 2 and 2 double crochets, half double crochet and single crochet. Now here we have this chain space that we started from, and in this space we need to work on one single crochet, one half double crochet, and one double crochet. And to finish this round 3, we will slip stitch into the third chain of our beginning chain 3. Round 4, we will slip stitch in next chain, in this first chain of our chain 2 space. Now we will chain 4, 3 and 4 for our first treble crochet, and into this chain 2 space we'll work 6 treble crochets. So we made our 6 treble crochets, 2, 4, 6, and this first chain 4, as we said, counts as our first treble crochet, so in total we have 7 treble crochets. In next chain 2 space we will work 9 treble crochets. Nine. Again, in next chain 2 space we will work 9 treble crochets, and in each chain 2 space we'll work 9 treble crochets. So repeat this and I'll meet you at the end of this round. In this first chain 2 space we made our 7 treble crochets, so we need to work on 2 more, that in total there will be 9 treble crochets. And now to finish this round 4, we will slip stitch into the 4th chain of our beginning chain 4. And now we will start our last round. Slip stitch into the next 2 stitches. So it's the first slip stitch and the second one. And we are at our center of our 9 treble crochets. Now we will chain 3 for our first double crochet, and into the same stitch we work 1 double crochet, then chain 5, 2 double crochets in same stitch. Now we will chain 2, we will skip 2 stitches into the next we'll work half double crochet. Chain 2. In this space between treble crochets, we'll work double crochet, then chain 3, and one more double crochet in same place. Chain 2, skip one stitch into the next, we'll work half double crochet. So if we have here our group of 9 treble crochets, into the second stitch we'll work this half double crochet, then we'll chain 2, we'll skip 2 stitches, and in this 5th treble crochet we'll work 2 double crochets, both in same stitch, chain 5, and 2 double crochets into the same stitch. Chain 2, skip 2, and into this 8th treble crochet for the previous round we'll work half double crochet. Chain 2. And again in this space between these two groups we'll work double crochet, chain 3, and one more double crochet in same place. Chain 2. And we'll repeat this around. So skip 1 into the next, half double crochet, chain 2, skip 2 in next, 2 double crochets, chain 5, and 2 double crochets into the same stitch. Chain 2, skip 2 into the next, half double crochet, chain 2, and then work double crochet, chain 3, one more double crochet, and we'll repeat this. chain 2, skip 1 stitch, and next have double crochet, chain 2, and to finish this round number 5 in this project, we will slip stitch into the third chain of our beginning chain 3. Now chain 1, and we can cut our thread, pull our thread through, fasten off. And we are done with this simple and quick but yet beautiful project. All you need to do now is hide this tail, stretch it, starch it, and you're done. So, hope you enjoy this project with me. And until the next time, enjoy your crocheting and be safe.